Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you some of the best Rajasthani Kotapatti saree collection. So please watch the video till end. Friends, these kind of party wear Kotapatti saree collection are perfect suitable for all kind of occasion, especially college wear, office wear, birthday party, function, festival, wedding, engagement, get together, family function, and all other special occasion. Friends, these kind of Kotapatti saree collection are very popular in Rajasthan state. Rajasthan women love to wear these kind of Kotapatti saree collection for their wedding and all other special event. Friends, these kind of Kotapatti saree collection are perfect suitable for all kind of age group women. Friends, if you wear this kind of Kotapatti saree with perfect contrast blouse, you look so beautiful and gorgeous. Friends, I hope you guys will love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.